Hey, Chris, nice to see you again.
Hey, Lena, you too. I brought you coffee.
Thank you. You're the best. So, what are we talking about today?
Well, today's episode is all about the human body, what we can do with it, and how to describe where things are using prepositions.
Great. I love how these topics go together. Let's start with the body parts.
Okay, so let's name some basic parts of the body. We have the head, arms, legs, hands, feet, eyes, ears, mouth, and nose.
Don't forget the shoulders, knees, elbows, and fingers. Sing it like head, shoulders, knees, and toes.
Classic. Now, what can our body parts do?
For example, we see with our eyes, we hear with our ears,
Exactly, we walk with our legs. We touch with our hands. And we breathe with our nose.
and we eat and talk with our mouth,
So now let's add the modal verb can to describe abilities.
right? Can is super useful. It means you are able to do something.
For example, I can run. You can speak English. She can sing.
Now, some negative examples. I can't dance. He can't swim. We can't see in the dark.
And questions, can you hear me? Can she play the piano? Can they come with us?
I like that can doesn't need to in questions or negatives. It's so simple.
Okay, now let's move on to prepositions of place. How we describe where things are.
Let's use objects in this coffee shop, like the coffee is on the table.
Nice. My backpack is under the chair. The lamp is next to the couch. The painting is hanging on the wall.
Good one. How about the spoon is in the cup? The plant is behind the sofa. The table is between two chairs.
We can also say, the salt is on the right of the napkin. The fork is on the left of the plate. The menu is close to the window. The lights are hanging from the ceiling.
And here's one more. There are books around the computer.
Let's do a quick challenge. I'll describe something and you guess it.
Let's go.
It's on your face. You use it to smell. It starts with N.
Easy. Nose.
Okay, now it's under the desk. It's big and made of wood.
Hmm. The chair?
Right. Now you.
Okay, you use it to hear. You have two.
Ears.
That's right. Well, today we learned body parts vocabulary, verbs like run, see, eat, hear, how to use can, positive, negative in questions, prepositions of place like in, under, next to, and more.
That was a lot, but super useful for real life.
Thanks for hanging out with us today at Cozy English Club. Try using some of today's vocabulary at home.
Yeah, look around your room and say where things are. And say what you can or can't do.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Keep sipping.
And keep speaking.